Today I am Manjula Agarwal. We will discuss a poem of class 6, The Quarrel. The poet of this poem is Elenier Fargion. Have you seen in your house that the quarrel began without any reason? I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. The poet says that one day he had a quarrel with his brother, but he did not know what is the reason. And somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. Somehow we fell out. Fell out means quarrel. We quarrel with each other. The start of it was slight. Slight means small. But the start of the quarrel was very small. But when it ended, it was very strong. He said he was right. He means the poet's brother said he was right. I knew he was wrong. But the poet says that he was wrong. Now, we hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Now they started to hate one another. And the whole afternoon turned black. Black means here unhappy or unpleasant. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then his brother came and thumped means patted on his back and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." And he said, "Come with me, because we cannot live like this the whole night." I was in the wrong, so he was the right. And the poet realized that he was wrong and his brother was right. Now, again I am telling you that he went with his brother. The poet fights with his brother, quarreled with his brother on some very petty means a small matter. He could not understand why the fight took place. One thing led to another, had started something small, but it ends become very big. He began to hate one another. Whole afternoon became tensed and unpleasant. The poet's brother reconciled. He patted him on his back. Two of them could not go along alike. He said it was his mistake. The poet felt that his brother was right. He was wrong. Some word meaning: fell out, quarreled, slight, small, thumped, patted, black, unpleasant. So students, the message of this poem is we should not quarrel to anyone. Fighting wastes time and mood. Fighting can only lead to losses and nothing else. So students, we should not quarrel with each other. You have seen the rhyme scheme. First stanza C, brother, A, about, B. Another is giving the same sound of brother. So we will write here, A, fell out, about, fell out is giving the same sound. B, slight. C, strong. D, right, slight and right. C, wrong. D. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A, B, C, D, C, D. And the rhyming words are brother, another, about, out, slight, right, strong, wrong. So students, you are able to understand this, and you also should know that we should not quarrel with each other. Thank you.